Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to reset your password in ClickUp. Whether you've forgotten your password or simply want to enhance your account security, resetting your password is a straightforward process. First, let's navigate to ClickUp. Open your browser and go to the ClickUp website. If you're already logged in, perfect. If not, make sure to log into your account so you can access your settings. Once you're in, direct your attention to the user interface, specifically the lower part of the side panel. You'll find the Settings option there. Click on it, and it will take you to the various options and preferences you can adjust for your account. Settings are where you control your profile information, notification preferences, and, of course, your password. Now, on the Settings page, you'll notice a panel on the left that displays different categories. Look for the option labeled Profile and click on it. Within the Profile section, you'll find the Password option. This is where you can initiate the password reset process. Click on the password link and a new prompt will appear asking you to enter a new password. Here's a helpful tip. When creating your new password, aim for a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters to ensure that your password is strong. Avoid using easily guessed information like your name, birthday, or common phrases. A strong password not only protects your account from unauthorized access, but also keeps your personal information safe. Type in your new desired password in the space provided. Be careful to remember this new password if you want to avoid having to repeat this process in the near future. After entering your new password, you'll typically need to retype it to confirm there are no mistakes. This step is crucial because it helps prevent any typing errors that could lock you out of your account. Consider using a password manager. This can help you create strong, unique passwords for every platform and securely store them so you never have to worry about forgetting them. Password managers also make it easier to update passwords regularly without the hassle. Once you've verified the new password, there's just one more step to complete the process. Finally, direct your attention to the Save Changes button. Click this button to save your new password preferences. And there you have it. Your new password has been set, securing your account instantly with your updated credentials. It's essential to ensure that changes have been applied. So try logging out and then back into your account with your new password to confirm everything is working as expected. Regularly updating your passwords and making them strong is a key practice for safeguarding your online presence. You can also enable two-factor authentication, 2FAE, in ClickUp for an additional layer of security. This means that even if someone obtains your password, they would still need a secondary verification code to access your account. I hope you found this step-by-step guide helpful and easy to follow. By taking a few minutes to update your password and improve your account security, you're protecting both your personal information and your team's data. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more ClickUp tips, tutorials, and productivity hacks.